Hey guys, good morning. It is Friday. This is Mrs. Carr and it is Friday, April 24th. Friday. Hey, it's the end of the week and the last day. And I'm here with your rundown on science. So we are wrapping up fossils this week. So we have a couple of things that you can do. You can take another virtual field trip to Europe this time. Wow, that's pretty cool. There's a YouTube video you can do on that. Romolosaurus sea dragon. That sounds pretty cool. Or you can check out this giraffe. What did that say? Giraffetin? Giraffetitan? I don't know. But this is a 4-minute video that you can back in life in 360 VR. So this is pretty cool too. All right, so you can do one or the other, or you can even look at both. It's up to you. Then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on this article. And this is one of those articles, guys, that has the 5 questions at the end. So make sure you go all the way to the end. When you're done reading this article, guys, you're going to go ahead and answer these 5 questions. And you can write it on paper. Since these are not answer choices, you're going to have to actually write out the answers. And so you can either take a picture of it when you're done and text it to your teacher through Remind. You can attach it as an email to us. Again, get your adult person to help you with that. Or you can post your picture in the discussion question in today's discussion post. And I showed you how to post that on there. All right, when you're done with those questions and reading that article, you do have today's discussion questions. And then we have an end of the week questions here. So you're going to do this, and this is going to take the place of the, instead of the quizzes. So you'll complete this. Okay. And again, you're not, oh, it's just one question. Well, maybe it's not. We'll see. I don't know if this will take the place of your quizzes. You'll find out when you see this video on Friday if there's a quizzes there or not. All right, guys. If you see a quizzes, then make sure you complete that. If you don't see a quizzes, then obviously this is it for today. But anyways, for your answer, you're going to make sure you have your I claim statement, and you're going to either, your option is to message it to your teacher here. You can message your teacher and put your answer there. You can email it to your teacher. You can send a remind to your teacher. You can post your answer in the discussion question. But no matter what you do, whatever method you choose to share your work with your teacher, please make sure you go back and check for your teacher's feedback. So if you send them an email like you shared a Google Doc, then make sure you check your email or check the speaker notes in the Google Doc. Or check your email for their responses. If you posted something in the discussion, then make sure you go back later that afternoon or the next morning to see what their feedback is in the discussion post. If you send a message this way, then they're gonna make sure you check here to see if they message you back. If you send it in a remind, then obviously they're going to text you back. So please make sure you're looking for your teacher's feedback after you share your work with them. All right, guys, you all have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.